Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with DB. So today we are going to discuss as to why do amino acids have such high melting points like 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Now we all know that these are all simple molecular structures, and still if you look at the alanine, which is an amino acid, alpha amino acid, it has the melting point of 293.5, and the others lysine, valine, serine, these all range between 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Now, immediately, what comes to our mind is that maybe because the amino acids have more hydrogen bonds because of this OH bond, and there are two NH bonds in each molecule if there are not any more in the alkyl group. However, that's not the reason. Now, look at the structure of an amino acid here. It has got an NH2 group and a carboxylic group. Now, what happens that even in a solid form, a transfer of proton takes place from the COOH group to the NH2. As a result of this, we get a zwitterion forming, wherein the COO minus and NH3 plus are there within the same molecule. And zwitter is a German word for both, so therefore both positive and negative charges are there within the same molecule. As a result of this, what happens is that neighboring zwitterions will attract each other. For example, if there is an NH3 plus here in one of the amino acid, another amino acid, and if there is a COO minus on another amino acid, then in that case they will develop strong ionic bonds between each other, and so it would be here also. So as a result of this, these ionic bonds are much stronger than the intermolecular forces, and this is the reason that it becomes very lot more energy is required to separate the molecules. So in order to conclude, if this question is asked, then we have to talk about the ionic lattice structures which emerge due to zwitterions forming, and also because of more hydrogen bonds are there. That's also a factor that plays a role. And amino acids exist as zwitterions even in a solid form, so therefore the ionic interactions emerge within two zwitterions, and also lots of hydrogen bonds form, so therefore much more energy is required, and this gives rise to very high melting points in case of amino acids. I hope this explanation was clear to you, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.